Active life tips. Tip number 1, rise and shine. Start your day with a dose of calmness. A short morning meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and set a positive tone for your day. Tip number 2, walk your way to health. Opt for a walk during your breaks or after dinner. Walking is an easy, low-impact exercise that benefits your heart and mind. Tip number 3, unplug for well-being. Give your eyes a break from screens. Set aside tech-free time before bed to improve sleep quality and reduce digital eye strain. Tip number 4, nutrient-rich nibbles. Keep healthy snacks within reach. Opt for nutrient-rich options like nuts, Greek yogurt, or fruit to curb cravings and boost your energy. Tip number 5, a daily dose of positivity. End your day on a positive note. Keep a gratitude journal to reflect on the day's blessings and foster a positive mindset.